In this video, you will learn, is Duolingo good for French? Duolingo is a solid choice for learning French, especially for beginners and intermediate learners. It offers an interactive, gamified approach to making language learning engaging and accessible. Through its short, bite-sized lessons, Duolingo helps you practice grammar, vocabulary, sentence structure, and even pronunciation. It focuses on repetition, ensuring that the concepts are reinforced over time, making it easy to build a foundation in the language. However, while Duolingo is great for getting started, it has some limitations. The lessons may not dive deep into complex grammar or conversational nuance. Its speaking and exercises can sometimes be basic. For more advanced learners or those looking to improve fluency, Duolingo can be used as a supplementary tool alongside other resources such as conversation practice or advanced grammar books. Overall, Duolingo is a convenient, user-friendly way to learn French, but it's most efficient when combined with other learning methods. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe.